Dengue cases in Cagayan reach over 4,000. Bagao town remains with the highest cases. Snake causes power outages in Mactan. Newborn baby kidnapped from provincial hospital, safe, suspect arrested. And Card Islamic Bank's financial services expands to city of Marawi. Good evening, I'm Apolinario 30 Dignadisi Valencia and this is Philippine Headlines. Dengue cases in the province of Cagayan reach over 4,000. Municipality of Bagao remains with the highest cases. The number of dengue cases in the province of Cagayan continues to increase, reaching a total of 4,324 cases from January to November 2025, according to the latest report from the Provincial Health Office Dengue Surveillance Database. According to the data, Municipality of Bagao remains the city with the highest number of cases with 609, followed by Municipality of Solana, 465, City of Tuguegarao is 331, and Municipality of Apari is 317. Their office explained that this is due to the rainy season, lack of regular cleanup drives, and the presence of stagnant water in some areas, which are the main reasons for the rapid increase in dengue-carrying mosquitoes. In response, the Provincial Health Office continues to closely coordinate with all municipal health officers and focal persons of rural health units to focus on health interventions aimed to combating dengue. The public is also encouraged to follow the 5S strategy or search and destroy, self-protection, seek early consultation, support fogging and spraying, and sustain hydration, which remains the most effective way to fight dengue. In Visayas, snake causes power outages in the municipality of Mactan. Unscheduled power outages were experienced in parts of Mactan Island at around 2 a.m. on Tuesday, November 25, caused by a snake that was electrocuted while on an electric pole. In a report, the Mactan Electric Company Incorporated said that the outage affected 4 of their feeders under Substation 4. However, power was immediately restored in the affected areas. According to MECO said, a snake got electrocuted on electric pole number PO3759, triggering the safety protection of substation force 13.8 kilovolts main breaker. This system is designed to automatically shut off power during incidents like this, including cases where a person might get electrocuted to help prevent further harm. In Mindanao, newborn baby kidnapped from provincial hospital, safe, suspect arrested. The woman who kidnapped a newborn baby from the South Cotabato Provincial Hospital has been arrested after she was intercepted by personnel of a private hospital in the city of Coronadal yesterday afternoon. Security and staff noticed the suspicious behavior of the woman carrying the baby and immediately stopped her. It was discovered that her appearance matched the description given by the family of the missing baby, so they immediately reported her to the police. The Coronadal City Police Station responded quickly and arrested the suspect. The baby was recovered in good condition and immediately underwent a medical checkup before being returned to her parents. It can be recalled that the woman pretended to be a hospital staff member when she abducted the baby the other day, which caused great fear in the family. The parents, especially the father, Ryan Malinog, are very grateful for the prompt return of their child. Investigators are still ongoing to determine the motive of the suspect, who is now facing charge of kidnapping and serious illegal detention. In the other news, Card Islamic Bank's financial services expand to the city of Marawi. Card Islamic Bank has officially opened its new branch in the city of Marawi, its second in the Bangsamoro region after the opening of the first branch in the city of Cotabato last 2024. According to Card Islamic Bank, the new branch aims to expand access to Sharia-compliant financial services for Muslim communities in BARM and support more inclusive economic development. BBOI's presence at the opening is focused on strengthening ethical finance, sustainable investment, and greater participation of the local economy in the region. The ceremony was led by Dr. Jaime Aristotle Ali, founder and chairman emeritus of CARD Mutually Reinforcing Institutions, or CARD MRI, which includes CARD Bank Incorporated, which provides financial services and community programs. Also present at the event were BBOI Chairperson Muhammad Omar Pasigan and Board of Governor Dato Habib Ambolodto, as well as local officials of City of Marawi and other stakeholders from the province of Lanao del Sur. According to Card Islamic Bank, the new branch aims to expand access to Sharia-compliant financial services for Muslim communities in BARM and support more inclusive economic development. BBOI's presence at the opening is focused on strengthening ethical finance, sustainable investment, and greater participation in the local economy in the region. And that is Philippine Headlines this Tuesday, November 25, 2025. I'm Apolinario 30 Dignadice Valencia, and this is Salakot Online Broadcasting Network. Good night, Kasadja.